I'm going to start with a song I wrote towards the end of college. I'm just graduated now. And it's called Wind in the Rain. I hope you like it. Nights are cold in our fair town when I myself was young, kept inside in there right high till the storm be done, and though there wasn't a dude who waved his face through my little pane, till one night I spied a sight that I could not explain. For out in the wind and the rain, I saw a girl out in the wind and the rain. She didn't seem to have a care how strange she did appear. Though it was clear as day, I had to say, just to know that I was safe. I had seen a girl go dancing through the wind and the rain. I took to watching out for days on end when the weather played her tune. And sure as there were the cold and barren trees in the gloom, she'd soon be out there without a hint of hesitation in her gait. It was on her that I found myself to concentrate. For through the wind and the rain, she was dancing through the wind and the rain, as though she either felt no pain or she didn't care. I just stare at her until the day when fate would have her say, while the girl who would go dancing through the wind and the rain, it said the girl had passed away. Found her in her bed during the only sunny day we had, and they scolded her soul for tempting the cold and wrathful winter air. And all that I could think was, you don't know, you weren't there. If you had seen the wind and the rain, if you had been there for the wind and the rain, if you would care to simply watch, then you may have her cause explained. For it's a shame that she would never more be on this earthly plane. Sure, the world will miss the girl who danced through the wind and the rain. Oh, the wind and the rain, it's as though she were the wind and the rain. The very memory of her will would explain her heart's desire. And I remember well the tale I tell, for I too someday may choose to join the girl and go dancing